originally when I was approaching the topic, I wasn't so much interested in the aspect of the sort of under siege aspect, or how they kind of dealt with all of the difficulties, that they faced in the, as the interwar period wore on, and then of course in a much starker form during the war itself. I think in a sense what I was more interested in at the beginning was the kind of the flourishing of Yiddish culture, at its high point. I mean, originally I had really been interested in the late 19th century, and I really thought I would do some topic that was earlier, like pre-World War I. But I think what drew me eventually to the interwar period was the sense that that was when things sort of came together for a kind of flourishing of Yiddish culture that wasn't really possible earlier. And later on, I think I became more interested in this, and I appreciated just the tremendous difficulties that the founders of YIVO faced, even from the very beginning. I became more interested in how they, how their work could be seen as a kind of resistance to all of the obstacles and all of the difficulties that they had to deal with.